going to learn two sounds, the A sound and the E sound. We're going to follow with my turn and your turn, and then we'll do some writing of the sounds and words together. So if you'd like to go and get a paper and pen or pencil or something to write with, and we can start with our first sound. Our first sound is the A sound. A. 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 A, may I play? A, may I play? Let's write this sound down. The A sound is made up of two letters that make one sound. So that is a digraph. Two letters, one sound. We need the letters A and Y to make the A sound. Let's write A down. A, Y. A word with the A sound in is stay. S, t, A. Can you join in with me? S, t, A. Stay. Let's write stay together. S, t, A. Stay. Does yours look like mine? Fantastic. Our next word is play. P-L-A. Can you join in with me? P-L-A. Play. Let's write play down. P-L-A. Play. Super. Well done. How many A words do you know? Our next sound is the E sound. E. 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 What can you see? What can you see? Fantastic. Let's write down the E sound. E. E has two letters that make one sound, so it is a digraph. Well done. A digraph is two letters that make one sound. We need two E's to make the E sound. Let's write it down. E. E. Fantastic. Words that have the E sound in are tree. Let's write that down. T-R-E. Tree. Can you join in with me? T-R-E. Tree. Three sounds. Fantastic. Let's write it down. T-R-E. Tree. And next word, we could use the word see. If we're seeing something, S-E. Your turn. S-E. See. Let's write it down. Two sounds. S-E. See. So that is the A sound and the E sound. Now stay with me and we can play a game. Okay, so we're going to play a game where I'm going to sound out the word and you're going to write it down. Then you're going to tell me if the word is an A word or an E word. I'm going to practice one first to show you. I'm going to sound S-E. Then you'll write down S-E. You will tell me whether C is an E word or an A word. It is a E word. It goes to E. Okay. Our next sound out word is sh. E. P. Sh. E. P. Write down the word. What's the word? Sheep. Well done. Sheep. Sh. E. P. Is it a E word or an A word? Sh. E. P. Well done. It's got the E sound in. Next one. I'm going to sound the word T. D. A. T. d, a. Write that down. What's the word? Today. A. Today. Well done. Is that an A word or an E word? Well done. It's an A word. Next word. I'm going to sound the word E-N. E-N. What's that word? Queen. Well done. E-N. Queen. Which word has the sound in it? E. Well done. Queen. Last one then. A. A. Write it down. A. Away. Well done. Away. A. A sound or E sound word? A sound. Well done. Away. Super. Fantastic. Maybe you can think of some E words and some A words and play this game at home. Now we're going to have a look at 3 common exception words. So these are like tricky words that you can't sound out, you just have to know them. A, I and the. First one, A. A is if we're talking about something on its own. I went to a park. I went to a shop. It goes into a sentence. A. It's not in a word, it's on its own. A. A. I'm going to write a sentence for this. I saw a dog. How many words is that? I saw a dog. 4. Well done. 4. I saw a dog. We need a capital letter for the I. At the beginning, I, finger space, or I saw a. There's our word a. Dog. D o g. 3 sounds. D o g. Full stop. I saw a dog. There I have used the A sound. Now let's see if you can remember that sentence and you could write it down without looking. I saw a dog. I saw a dog. If you need to pause it and have extra time, pause it now before I go on to the next one. Our next one is the I word. I on its own. So I'm talking about me if I say I. I love my family. I love chocolate. I wash my clothes. Me. I talk about me. So I'm going to write a sentence. I love books. That's my sentence. 3 words in my sentence. I love books. I need my capital at the beginning because it's a sentence. But I need to look at my I word. Just like that. I. It's a capital I. It's always a capital I when it's on its own. I. Then need finger space. Love. Another finger space. Or books. I can sound that one out. Books. 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 Full stop on the end. Fantastic. I love books. Using our word I, can you write down that sentence please and try not to look. Try and think of it in your head. I love books. If you need more time, pause it here and then you could join me for the next one. Our last common exception word today is the word the. The is used before a noun. The park, the boy, the girl. A noun is a thing, a place, an object, something, and the will go before it. So the park, the girl, the boy, for example. So the, T-H-E, there's 3 letters in the. T-H-E, the. And the can go at the beginning of the sentence, or it can go in the middle of a sentence somewhere, but it will never be on the end of a sentence, because it's got to have the noun to come after it. I'm going to say and write the sentence, the boy was at home. The boy was at home. How many words in my sentence? The boy was at home. 5. Well done. Let's see if we can write this together. So T-H-E goes at the front, the boy, because we're talking about the boy. I need my capital letter to start. The finger space, boy. B-oy. 2 sounds in there. B-oy. The boy was. That's also a tricky word, and we'll cover that soon. Was. The boy was at home. Home. That's a split digraph sound, which we'll cover that also as well later on. The boy was at home. Now can you write that down? The boy was at home. 5 words. The boy was at home. For the word the. If you need more time, that's okay, just pause it here and then you can finish this video off after. A big thank you for joining in with me and watching today. My next video, I'll be doing 2 more sounds and some more comment section words for you to write. It would be nice for you to join in with me and do some writing with me and some sounds so that you can get a good practice at home. If you would like me to see, you can always ask your parents to take a photo and tag me in it, Miss Winch Teaching, if you would like. Thank you, see you soon.